Hello students, question number 3 of exercise 3.1. So question is that the cost of 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160, and after a month the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. So students, here we discuss about problem on numbers 1 and problem number 2. So let we see in 3 the cost of 1 kg apple equal to x rupees and 1 kg of grapes, 1 kg of grapes equal to y rupees. So first condition from here, that is 2x plus y equal to 160. So this is the first condition, and second condition, students, we have to see, that is after a month the cost of 4 kg apple, so that is 4x plus 2 kg of grapes, it means to say 2y equal to rupees 300. So this is the condition seconds. So here students, we got algebraically form, that is the first condition and second condition. Now we discuss about the geometrically form. So students, for find out the first condition. So first condition here you see, that is 2x plus y equal to 160. So we put the value of x and y. So here you see 160, it means to say we take the value just like as x and y. So that is the value we put here. If you put here the value of x equal to 40, and that is 160, it means to say y equal to 160 minus 80, it means to say 80. So this is the value of y 80 and value of x 40. So 40 and 80, this is the first value, and second we put again. Here you see y equal to x equal to, we put here 60, so 120, and here we got only 40 we receive, y equal to 40, and now we put here x equal to 70, so be here that y equal to 7 to 140, 140 comes here, we get y equal to 20. Okay students, so this is the first situation we got here. Now we talk about the second condition. On second condition, find out the value. The second condition is 4x plus 2y equal to 300. So this is the second condition. Value of xy we put here. So this is the x and this is y. Student, you see the value of x we put here. So the value of x we put like that for 40 and for 160. It means to say 2y equal to 300 minus 160. We got here 140. So y equal to 70. So this is the value of y, and x equal to 80. We put here 8. So here we got 4 into 80 plus 2y equal to 300. So 320 minus 300 equal to minus 2y. So 20 equal to minus 2y, 2 10 times. So y equal to minus 10. And same this way you can write any others. So value of x something 60. So b here gets 600. 6 multiply 4, 240. 240, 2y equal to 60. So y equal to 30 we get here. So this is the condition, the value we find out. Now we talk about the condition. So students, you see here 40, 80, 60, 40. So we can use as the in graph tables, just like as 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, like this we can use. And here also minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, minus 100, like this. And here also you can increase. So that is 20, 40, 60, 80 and 40, 100 and 120. So like this you can use. And here minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, minus 100, minus 120. So students, this is the origin points you know, and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. You know well about this. And now we put the value of x and y for the first equation, that is x equal to 40. It means to say this is the 40 and y equal to 80. On y, this is the y equal to 80. So we take here this situation we got, that is 40 and 60. And now we discuss about 60 and 40. So on x-axis we got here 60. On x-axis this is the 60 and y 40. So this is the y we got here 40. So this situation we got here 60 and 40. And x-axis 70. So 70 is lying here. And y-axis 20. So 70 and 20 line here. So on 3 points we have to match here the line. So this is the first line for 2x plus y equal to, we can write here 2x plus y equal to 160. So for this is the line. And now we talk about the second situation. Second situation is 4x plus 2y equal to 300. It means to say the value is that. So here x 40 by 70. So by 70 just like as here. So we can take here, that is 40 and 70. And here x equal to 80. So x equal to 80 and y equal to minus 10. So that is 20 and minus 10 is something here. So x equal to 80. It means to say this situation is goes here. 80 and minus 10. And now x value 60. The value of x is 60, that is here, and y value is 30. The value of y is 30, something lies here. So that is the situation we got here. So 60 and 30 something. So we got here 3 points. 3 points as that. That is, this is the point 80 and 10, 40 and 70, 40 and 70 is that, and 60 and 30 also that. This points, and here this. So same this way we have to move out this condition. And we can write this 4x plus 2y equal to 300. So this is the geometrically situation.